It was 7 in the morning. I rolled over, grabbed my phone, and the first thing I saw was a Stripe notification. Payment received $247. I was asleep. I didn't do a single thing. And the money was just there. Now I know what you're thinking. Yeah, right, another one of those videos. I get it. I used to think the exact same thing. But in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how this works. No fluff, no hype, no just believe in yourself nonsense. Just real systems that real people are using to generate income while they sleep, eat, go to the gym, whatever. Stick around because at the end, I'm going to give you a step-by-step action plan you can start tonight. Alright, let's get into it. Before I dive in, let me be real with you for a second. 2 years ago, I had a regular 9 to 5. I was watching YouTube videos about making money online, and honestly, I thought it was all a scam. Like, cool for those people, but not for me. I didn't have a massive following. I didn't have a tech background. I wasn't some genius entrepreneur. But I started testing stuff. I failed a bunch. Wasted some time. And eventually, I stumbled onto 3 models that actually work. And that keep generating income even when I'm completely offline. Today, I'm sharing everything. No gatekeeping. Method number 1, selling digital products. A digital product is something you create once and sell unlimited times. No inventory, no shipping, no production cost. Every sale after the first one is basically pure profit. Let me give you some real examples so this clicks. A $19 ebook called How to Lose 15 Pounds in 8 Weeks sold on a platform called Gumroad. A $9 Notion template for personal budgeting. A $29 Lightroom preset pack for photographers. A $47 1-hour mini course on how to edit TikToks that go viral. All of these are digital products. All created once. All generating passive income. Here's my real example. I created a 30-page PDF guide on how to land your first freelance client. It took me 1 weekend to write. I put it on sale for $27. First month, 12 sales. That's $324. Third month, after promoting it a bit on social media, 47 sales. $1,269. And that same PDF is still selling every single week. I haven't touched it in over a year. Now here's how you figure out what to sell. Ask yourself one question. What do people always ask me for help with? You're good at writing resumes? Make a template. You know Excel inside out? Create a short course. You take great photos? Sell your presets. You cook well? Sell a meal plan PDF. The best platforms to start are Gumroad, which is completely free, PayHip, or StanStore if you're already a content creator. And here's the real secret. It's not about having the perfect product. It's about shipping something good enough and improving it from there. Method number 2, affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you recommend someone else's product. Someone buys through your link. You get a commission. You manage nothing. No customer service, no refunds, no inventory, just a link. Commissions range from about 5% on Amazon, all the way up to 50 or even 70% for software tools and online courses. Here's a concrete example from my own experience. I use a design tool for my YouTube thumbnails. I wrote a blog post called The 5 Best Tools for Content Creators. I included my affiliate link in that post. That article gets organic traffic from Google every single month. People click subscribe to the tool, and I receive between $15 and $40 in recurring commission per customer every month, for as long as they stay subscribed. One article, written once, still paying me 18 months later. If you want to get started, here are the best programs depending on your niche. For tech and software tools, look at ConvertKit, Canva Pro, or systeme.io. Some of these pay up to 60% commission. For online courses, check out ClickBank or ShareASale. For beginners who want something simple, Amazon Associates is a great starting point. The golden rule with affiliate marketing is this: only recommend products you actually use. Authenticity is what converts. And the pro tip here is to look for products with recurring commissions, meaning subscriptions. You promote it once, and you get paid every single month as long as that person stays a customer. That is where the real passive income lives. Method number 3, content that earns while you sleep. A YouTube video you upload today can generate ad revenue for the next 5 years. That is literally money while you sleep in the most classic sense of the phrase. A food YouTuber I know with around 50,000 subscribers makes between $2,000 and $4,500 per month from AdSense alone. She posts twice a week. Her videos from 18 months ago are still getting views and still generating revenue on autopilot. Same thing with blogging. A well-ranked article on Google is a passive income machine. You write it once, Google indexes it, thousands of people read it every month, and you earn through display ads or affiliate links without lifting a finger. A personal finance blogger I know wrote an article about how to open a Roth IRA back in 2021. That single article now brings in around $800 a month in affiliate commissions. He hasn't updated it once. And then there are paid newsletters. If you have expertise or a niche audience, a paid newsletter on Substack or Beehive can build serious recurring revenue fast. Think about it. 1,000 subscribers at $10 a month is $10,000 a month. Recurring, predictable, passive. Now, I'm going to be straight with you because I respect your time. Passive income doesn't mean doing nothing. What it actually means is doing a lot of work upfront so that you get paid on autopilot afterward. The passive part comes after the work, not instead of it. Let me share the mistakes I made so you can skip them. First, I tried doing all three methods at the same time. Don't do that. Pick one, get good at it, and then scale. Second, I kept waiting for my product to be perfect before launching. That was a waste of months. Ship it imperfect and improve it with real feedback. Third, I didn't build an audience early enough. Without eyeballs on your stuff, you will sell nothing. Start creating content now, even if it's small. And fourth, I almost gave up at week 3. Every single one of these methods takes at least 3 to 6 months to gain real traction. The real question isn't, does this work? It does. The real question is, are you willing to put in the work long enough for it to start working for you? I'm not letting you leave without a concrete plan. Here's what you do this week. Tonight, write down 3 areas where you have real knowledge or real skills. Don't overthink it, just write. Day 2, validate the demand. Search your topic on Google, Amazon, Etsy, or Udemy. Are people already paying for something in this space? If yes, that's your green light. Days 3 through 7, create the simplest possible version of your product. Write your first affiliate article, or record your first piece of content. And by the end of the week, you publish it. You put it out there. That's it. No website required. No big following. No startup capital. You just start. So there you have it. The 3 methods I personally use to make money while I'm sleeping. No magic, no scam, just smart systems you build once and let run. If this video gave you value, drop a comment below with the word passive. It helps me know what content you want to see more of, and honestly, it just makes my day. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that button. Next week, I'm going to show you exactly how to build your first digital product in 48 hours or less. You don't want to miss that one. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.